Ok, este es el Yale que yo compré supuestamente de seguridad. Esta es la llave original que vino con el Yale. Después de mucho buscar, porque viene con 2 llaves nada más, después de mucho buscar que me hicieron la llave, me han hecho como 8 llaves, ninguna funciona. Y encontré un cerrajero que me hizo unas llaves que funcionó. Bien, este es el original. Mira que bien abre y cierra. ¿Ve? Cerré y abrí. Todo perfecto. Ok, las llaves que yo mandé a hacer que no funcionaron, yo lo que hice fue con una piedra de esmeril, esta es la original, le quité los dientes para que si alguien se encontrara la llave, nadie pudiera abrirme la puerta. Miren aquí la llave que mandé a hacer, ahí está, hasta la etiqueta todavía. Y mire que no tiene dientes, le quité los dientes. Pero increíblemente cierra y abre. Eso significa que esa cerradura no sirve, no tiene seguridad ninguna. Cualquiera con una llave así que no tenga ni dientes puede abrir la cerradura. Por supuesto que no funciona absolutamente nada, es una mierda.
As we got the eufy smart lock here. You need to download the app. This is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth friendly lock. Also works with Google Voice, and I'm sure it does with Alexa. I don't have that. I got Google, and I've got that feature set up also. Another key thing I like about it on the app, it lets me know no matter where I'm at that my door has been opened or closed. And of course you can unlock and lock the lock from your app on your phone. So I love that feature. Anyway guys, after you get it installed, it's got automatic lock on it. So when I leave, for example, I'm leaving home, make sure the door's closed all the way. I can either lock it or it's going to lock itself. It's going to give me a signal. There we go. It's got spy protection, which means once you put your password in, it only has to be in sequence. You can put other numbers in there. So you guys can figure out the password, leave it in the comments. And there we go. So, anyway, and when you get home, I can lock it, or it's going to lock itself. Great lock, highly recommend. Get it while it's on sale. Can't go wrong.
Code that you can set. It also comes with a key in case this system were to, like the battery were to die. You do get a lot of notifications letting you know if the battery is about dead. In fact, we have to change it. We've had it since May, and now in December is the first time we've been notified that our battery needs changing. So it lasts probably about 6 months or so, quite a long time. And as you can see, you can manually lock it and unlock it, lock it and unlock it from the passcode or key, or I'll attach a video. You can use the app on your phone.
I don't know if anybody else is having issues, the same issue as I am, but let's see how long it might last.
Alexa, unlock the door. All right.